To purchase VOO in Moomoo. The process is relatively straightforward. Begin by opening the Moomoo app and clicking on the search icon at the top. Next, type in VOO to generate a list of related codes. From this list, select the desired option, for instance, the S&P 500 ETF, and review its pricing details. To proceed with the purchase, click on the Trade option at the bottom of the screen. This will present two options, Sell and Buy. Note that in order to complete the purchase, it is necessary to have a verified account in Moomoo. Once the account is verified, the buying option will become available, allowing for the successful purchase of VOO in Moomoo. Following these steps should facilitate a smooth transaction.